Hello, my name is Valentino Hernandosama Matakena. I am from University IAI. My name number is 211-419-0012. Today, my topic is balance sheet terms in English, income statement, profit and loss terms in English, general accounting terms in English. English for accounting vocabulary, memorize this to 25 terms. Balance sheet terms in English. A balance sheet in an accounting statement which details the income and spending of an organization within a fixed time. This is a critical tool in accountancy to understand business asset and liability. 1. Accounts payable. We currently have a large account payable list to our suppliers. Money that is offered by the business to its suppliers. This is so up a liability in the balance sheet. 2. Accounts receivable. You shouldn't be constantly aware of how inflation can discount to your account receivable. Money that is owed to the business by its customers. This is for a goods or a service that have been delivered but have not yet been paid. 3. Asset. He has assets in the form of stock, mutual funds, and property. An item that is company or a person owns that has the monetary value. This come in the form of the tangible asset, typical physical asset owned by the company, such as property, equipment, and land. An intangible asset not a physical is nature, such as the patent, copyright, goodwill, and trademarks. For book value, the proposed price is approximated 2 times to the book value. The total value of business asset found on the balance sheet. This number represents to the total value of all the assets at a company owned if they are liquidated, sold to generate cash. 5. Equity. When company collapse, its equity has wiped up. The remaining value of company after liability have been removed. Equity is the portion of a company owned by each investor and shareholder. It can calculate as asset liability. 6. Inventory. The company is managing to market and sell its product, keeping inventory low. Inventory represents to a company goods that remain unsold to its customer. Inventory management is typical count within the 3 states of production: raw goods in the process, goods, and goods that are ready for sale. 7. Liability. The company has enough money to cover its existing liability. Any debts that a company has yet to pay, where account payable is mainly only to suppliers. Liability can include money that a business also owns to staff, as well as loans, mortgages, and bonds. Income statement, profit and loss terms in English. The income statement or a profit loss statement is the second of the 2 most common financial reports. It shows the revenue, expense, and net income or a loss over a period of time. A. Cost of a goods sold. IKEA cost of a goods sold fell by 3% in the last quarter. The cost of production for the goods sold by company. This number includes labor cost and the raw material used to create the goods. Indirect to expense, such as the transport of goods, are excluded from this cost. 9. Depreciation. The company was hurt by high depreciation cost. The depreciation is when an asset lost value over time. Depreciation commonly happens when a physical asset break or wear out, such as when an office computer gets damaged, a machine breaks down, or a building starts to decay. Land is only physical asset that appreciates increase in value over time. 10. Expense. Many companies to shut down during the weekends to save on expense. Expense are money spent by a business in order to generate revenue. Expense are the sum of the activity that a business is using to try and reach a profit. These are split into the fixed expense set amount that a business has to pay regularly, rent, salaries, and wage, and variable expense, which might cost more or less depending on external factor, advertising, commission, utility bills. 11. Gross profit. Gross profit is the highest level in more than 3 years. The total amount of profit a company makes after subtracting the cost associated with making and selling its product. When the gross profit is calculated, the cost of overhead like rent, travel cost, and advertising are not subtracted. 12. Net income. Apple had set a record in both sales and net income figures. The amount that is earned by business in a profit after all costs are deducted is calculated by taking revenue and subtracting all of the expense within a period of time, including overheads, depreciation, and tax. 13. Revenue or sales. The football club estimate that it will reach a record annual revenue of the 600 million. The income of business might form its activity before subtracting any expense. This usually comes in the form sales and the sales to customer. The revenue is labeled as a sales or turnover, general accounting term in English. There are some accounting terms in English that aren't linked to the balance sheet or income statement, but are still essential to know. Take a look below to learn the most important general accounting, the English term. 14. Cash flow. A strong brand identity, good management, and positive cash flow are essential for your company to be a market leader. Measure how much money is moving into a business during a period of time. A company will create more value for its shareholders by generating positive long-term cash flow. A company will create negative cash flow by spending more money that is made over a specific period of time. 15. Credit. The danger with credit debt. Card debt is the increase in interest are incremental. When used on non-credit record as a sum of money received by a business and is on the right column and of account of company credit and debit will always equal each other, ensuring the balance sheet income statement are always in a balance accurately reflecting the income, expense, asset, liability, and liquidity within a business. An example of a credit is increase in the liability that will be paid later that many people and company buy on credit via use of a credit card when they do not have enough cash to make a purchase and wish to pay the cost of a later debt. 16. Debit. Your account will be debit for the cost of your insurance every month. When used a non-debit record, some of the money owned by business and listed on the left-hand column of an account. An example of debit is the purchase of the new computer, which is additional asset. However, debit can also be used for meaning when a bank or a financial organization removes money from a customer's account. This is most commonly achieved via the use of the debit card. 17. Diversification. The company was looking for diversification to generate new source of revenue. A technique of allocating research and investing time, money, and energy into different activity. For example, a company may decide to diversify by expanding into the market or producing the new product. Fixed cost. 18. The business is reducing fixed costs, continuing to grow and balancing to growth and profitability. Business costs to remain the same no matter the amount of goods produced. Example of a fixed cost include rent, salaries, and certain tax. 19. Forecasting. After analyzing the account of the last 5 years, he was forecasting a challenging Q3 for the business. The act of using past data, the predict the cost, growth, and financial trend, business also forecasting to help them plan for upcoming expand, and decide how to allocate their budget within a set of period of time. 20. Interest. The loan carry a very high interest rate, so I did not take it. Interest is a fee for borrowing an asset. It can be considered to expend as expense to borrow and income to the lender. Interest is essentially compensation for the asset of the service that is lent. This number is usually calculated as a percentage of amount money borrow and is added to in this cost of future repayment. 21. Liquidity. The business believes that his change will result in improved liquidity and profitability. The ability to get your hand on money whenever is required, cash and saving are liquid asset because they can easily change into cash very quickly. Non-liquid assets include property and machinery which cannot be changed into the cash quickly. 22. Overhead. The business has lowered its overhead costs by canceling their entire lease and working entirely remotely. A consistent cost of the running business overhead or overhead costs are the expense of the running a business do not include the creating or the producing a product or service. There are all of the costs on the income statement except for direct labor, direct material, and direct expense. Overhead include the cost of renting a shop, business, insurance, and marketing. 23. Payroll. The annual payroll of Arsenal Football Club is 103 million. The total amount of the payment to pay a company employees in the form of wage, salary, and bonus payroll can also be referred to company records if previously payment matched to employee. 24. Return on investment. They spend $1,000 on marketing, which produced the $2,000 in profit. Therefore, there are successful return of investment on the marketing spend 50%. Return on investment is a term used to describe the ability of an investment made to generate income for a business. ROI is the most common measure of the financial performance for a business. Although the exact calculation varies depending on the context. One thing is a constant of project or of investment with the higher ROI is always better. 25. Variable cost. Total cost when you add your fixed cost within your variable cost. Business cost that increase or decrease depending on the volume of company sales or production. Example, variable cost include the cost of the raw material and product packaging. The 20 accounting price and the assigned terms to use in the office. 1. Balance the books to add up the debit or credit. 2. Balance figure to estimate the number within a reasonable range if the number is within ballpark or beyond a reasonable range if the number is outside of the ballpark. 3. Bean counter, a mildly insulting term for an accountant of a finance professional, particularly one who does not often allow friends to spend money. 4. Bear market, a price common used in the investing world when the share price are falling by at least 20%. So investors feel encouraged to sell. 5. Bull market, a price commonly used in the investing world when the share price are rising by at least 20%. So investors feel encouraged to buy. 6. Cook the books, a slang term for when a accountant manipulates numbers to make a company finance look better than they actually are. 7. Crunching the number, a process verb to calculate right now amount with numerical data. 8. Drill down, a price of verb to examine and analyze number in depth. 9. Get out the debate, when a company or individual no longer owe money to people, corporations, or banks. 10. Loophole, a small mistake in the law that allows someone to exploit the system for their own benefit. For a content is often heard in the context of tax. 11. take out the loan to borrow money in the short or long term, purchase from the bank. 12 to go bust operation for when the company lost all of its money. So this is about my presentation. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Sorry, maybe I said the one word. And thank you for watching.